Good morning, student. Today I will tell you about diabetes and avoid the most common diabetes complications with this helpful yoga. Diabetes is a condition that impairs the body's ability to process blood glucose, otherwise known as blood sugar. Diabetes is of two types. One is where there is no production of insulin, and type 2 where the pancreas does not produce enough insulin. The general symptoms of diabetes are increased hunger, weight loss, increased thirst, frequent urination, extreme fatigue, etc. Diabetes can lead to serious medical complications, but you can manage the condition with medication and yoga exercise. Avoid the most common diabetes complications with these helpful yoga. Let's start. Firstly, we will do Vajrasan. Vajrasan is also known as diamond pose. Vajrasan helps solve stomach related issues and improves its digestive function. It also increases the blood flow to the pancreas. Vajrasan pose is a simple sitting yoga pose. For this pose, you kneel and then sit back on your legs to take the weight off your knees. Next pose is Bal Asana. Bal Asana is an easy yoga asana that can even be performed by beginners. In Sanskrit, Bal means child and Asana refers to one's postures. Thus, this pose is also called child pose. It is counter asana for many asanas. It is a resting pose that focuses on your thigh and also helps back pain. Any other yoga asanas, this one too must be performed at least 4 to 6 hours after a meal. Your stomach must be empty when you practice this position. This pose truly promotes positive feelings, transporting you back to your childhood days. Next, we will do Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana is a Sanskrit word consisted of three words. First, Paschim. Paschim means west or back. Second, Uttan means instance stretch. And Asana, show, yoga pose. Its different name is seated forward bend. To come into Paschimottanasana, begin in Dandasana with leg extend and feet flexed. On an inhale, lift the arms and lengthen the spine. On an exhale, hang from the hips to fold forward, drawing the belly in the gently. Paschimottanasana should be held for at least 1 to 3 minutes. Paschimottanasana is considered to be calming posture for the mind and nervous system. Next posture is Pavan Muktasana. The other name of Pavan Muktasana is wind free pose. Pavan Muktasana is a particular helpful asana for strengthening pancreas, liver, spleen, abdomen and abdomen muscles. In this asana, the thighs are pressed against the abdomen. The neck is bent towards the knees, and if possible, the forehead or chin is touching the knees. The breath is relaxed. Pavan Muktasana is made up three Sanskrit words. Pavan Mukt Asana. Pavan means wind, Mukt means to release, and Asana means posture. It is very powerful pose at the beginning of the asana practice. It is also helpful for control the diabetes. Dear students, next we will do Supta Asana is a beginner's yoga pose and a restorative posture that relaxes the body and mind. Asana is also called supine spinal twist pose or reclined spinal twist pose in English. In this pose, the practitioner lies down on the back and brings one knee towards the chest. Pressing the bent leg with the opposite palm, the torso twists gently so that the knee comes to the rest on the outer side of resting leg. In this posture, massage the internal organs and improves the digestion. This posture is very helpful for people suffering from diabetes. Next asana is Dhanurasana. Dhanurasana is consists of two words. First, Dhanu means bow and asana indicates a yoga pose. Thus, the name of this posture is the bow pose because in the final position, the body resembles a bow. In this pose, the abdomen and the thigh representing the wooden part of the bow, whereas legs, lower parts and arms representing the bow string. This asana gives strength to the mind. In the end, we will do Shavasana. Shavasana is the final resting pose at the end of almost every yoga practice. Shavasana is likely the first Sanskrit word learned by yoga students, and it often quickly becomes their favorite. The aim of Shavasana is to give rest to the body and mind. To enter Shavasana, the body lies face up on the ground with legs comfortably spread and arms relaxed alongside the body. Palm facing up. The breath should be natural and it important that the body is in a neutral position. Dear students, regular yoga practice creates mental clarity and calmness. Increase body awareness, release stress, relax the mind, and control many diseases. Thank you. Have a nice day.